Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, braking assist, power brakes, regenerative braking system, rear view camera. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.